economy going through its ups and downs, it's hard to know where and when to invest. Nick Harris, an investment advisor and CPA and the president of Mark I Asset Management, is here today to tell us about the philosophy of getting back to basics when investing, which I think is great to say it like that. Thanks for joining me.
Well, thank you for having me.
So investing can be tricky. What is one of the mistakes you commonly see?
Well, I think that with the decline we've had and then the rally, a lot of people think that the stock market is more of a gamble, more of a chance, and they see investing in a short-term phenomenon. And what I think when we talk about getting back to the basements, we really talk about the fundamentals of investing.
Will investing based on fundamentals and back to basics help people get their finances back in order?
Yes, I mean, you have to look at it with a long-term plan. When we counsel clients, we tell them that their investment horizon should be at least 5 years. Then we customize a plan based on that. Also, I think it's important that if you have a 5-year horizon, what happens in the short run is not going to be affected, as market cycles typically don't last any longer than 5 years,
really?
With the exception of the Great Depression,
Sure.
Of course.
Sure. So based on that, what main factors should a person look for when investing?
I think there are 3 key things to look at. The first would be the price to earning ratios of a stock or of a total mutual fund, what gives you what the value is of a company. The second thing is, I think you have to understand a business model. You can't invest in things you don't understand.
Yeah.
Third, we tend to look for companies with strong balance sheets, and that leads us to be able to do 2 kind of subsets. The first one is when you really look at a strong balance sheet, you take the accounting estimation out of it. So you're looking at the core assets and liabilities of a corporation. Corporations then can make calculated decisions based on those core things, like if they have a large amount of cash, they can go expand, or they could choose to pick up a potential target in the environment.
Very nice. So what are some of the best sectors to invest in right now?
Well, I think right now you have to invest with an economy that is emerging from recession and expecting growth in 2012. So I think with that, companies will expand. So you look at industries like metals, mining, energy, and technology.
Okay, nice. And obviously, as we look forward to 2011, what trends do you predict for the market?
Well, we've seen a pretty good rally from where we were at the bottom of March 2009. I think that that will be continued, but you're going to have to look for real value in companies and really do your homework well to be able to see which companies will succeed going forward.
Find someone you trust to invest
Absolutely. Trust is the key part of the relationship. And the second part of it is when things do go wrong, investors do have a tendency to want to go from cash. Well, when you go to cash on the decline, you're never going to recap what you've lost.
Interesting. Very good. What is your website?
Our website is www.mark1wealth.com.
Perfect. So for more information, obviously they can definitely help you out there. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.